Hola amigos, bienvenido a la clase de español. Today we are going to learn how to say this, these, that and those. These are very important when we are communicating. How to say this is a chair, those are pencils, that book is very nice, these dresses are very beautiful. Any sentence with this, these, that and those. How to say in Spanish? Okay, so first we will go for this. For this, every noun is masculine or feminine in Spanish. So whenever we are using this, that, those and these also, we have to check whether the noun is feminine or masculine, then only we will use a particular word for that. For example, este. For this we use word este, esta. Este for masculine, esta for feminine. For example, if I want to say for table, then esta mesa. Okay, this table, esta mesa. And if I want to say about something which is masculine, for example, libro, el libro. Okay, so then I will say este libro, this book. Okay, so remember, whenever you are saying masculine or feminine, you have to remember what word we have to use for this. This is a chair, this is a table. Esta es mesa, esta es mesa, este es libro. Okay, this is a book. Okay, this is a book. But if I am using esta here, that will be wrong because libro is masculine. So we will remember for this este, esta. For these, estos. These, estos. The plural of este is estos and then esta is estas. We will give example after some time. Then come to this that. That is of two type. One is little near. For example, adjacent to this tree is, that is a tree, or that is a pen. Nearby things, if you are talking about, which you can even touch or it's really near to you, then we will say for that ese, which should be, it is masculine, and if it is feminine noun or thing you are talking about, then it will be esa. Okay, esa mesa, ese libro, that book, that table. Okay, that book. For example, something is one table is near to you, you can say esa mesa. Okay, and if some book is near to you, sorry, for table we have to use esa, and then for any book, if it is you are saying that book, ese libro. Similarly for those, these, those, this, these, that, those. Then esos is plural, masculine. Okay, and feminine, esos plural, that is feminine, those. Object at a short distance, then we will use ese, esa, esos, esas. Esas, I am sorry. Okay, and if it is little far away, you can't see, for example, the building, that building, okay, which I can see from here, but it is little far away. So el edificio means you can say that building, then aquel edificio. Okay, then aquea, this is for masculine far away things using for that, and this is feminine, and those over there. Okay, then aqueos, aqueas, ake, akeos. Okay, this double la will be y, y or j, anything you can say. Akeaj, akeaz, a ke yaz, akeaz, akeos, akeos, akeaz, akeos. So remember, if we are talking about this, we use este, esta, eso, estos, estas. That is of two types, nearer and far away things. Ese, esa, esos, esas. Then akel, akea, akeos, akeas. So we will understand, let's understand them with some example. Now let's give example of this, that and that thing over there. So first we will give about the, for example, cuánto cuesta ese libro, ese. This is masculine, that, okay. What is the cost of this book, okay, because one book. If I want to say how much is the cost of those books, then you can say cuánto cuesta estos libros, okay, cuánto cuesta estos libros. Then ese traje es negro, traje, traje is suit, suit, coat, pant, suit, you know. Sometimes you go to for business meeting and you wear some coat, pant and all, that is called suit, traje. Ese traje es negro, that suit is black, negro is black. Then cuánto cuesta esa, esa is feminine, that. Revista, revista is magazine, okay, magazine. So cuánto cuesta esa revista, what is the cost of this magazine, what is the cost of that magazine, it is that. Then esa falda es azul, azul is azul, blue, okay. Falda is skirt, ladies wear skirt. Esa falda es azul, that skirt is blue. Quiero comprar 3 de esas camiseta, camiseta is shirt, this is feminine, so I have used esas, okay, esas, those. Quiero comprar, I want to buy 3 of that shirts, I want to buy 3 of that shirt. Then if I want to say those books are very interesting, esos libros, I have used this masculine because libro is el libro, okay, it is masculine. Esos libros son muy interesante, interesting, interesante, okay, this is how we pronounce it, okay. So this is how we use ese, esa, esas, esos, okay. So that, this, that is, it is near, near one, that. If something is near, you can use that one. Then if you want to use the far one, then we will talk about some country which is far away. Aquel país tiene muchos problema, problema is la problema, el problema, sorry, el problema. Every time when this word is, noun is ending with a, we think that it is a feminine, but there are exception. For example, this is masculine, el problema. Aquel país tiene muchos problema, that country has many problem, that country over there has many problem. Then aquella nación es pobre, that country, for example, we are talking about Bhutan or some other country, that nation has, that nation is poor, S is, pobre is poor, that nation is poor. Then those, okay, that is those, which is those is far away those. Aquellos políticos gastan todos impuestos. Impuestos is taxes, okay, what tax we pay to the government, that. Gastan is to spend, okay, it is from the word gastar. Aquellos políticos, those politicians spent all the tax money, taxes. Those politicians spend all the todos, all the taxes, okay, they whatever tax we pay, those politicians are spending. Then these days the rallies are also there, they are spending the taxpayer money. Aquellas familias necesitan comida. Aquellas, those families need food, okay. Aquellas familias necesitan comida, that is far away, that and those. This is far away, this is near that, okay. Then if we are talking about this, okay, I am erasing this because I have to write for the this. For example, if we want to say this is bracelet, pulsera. ¿Cuánto cuesta esta pulsera? Pulsera is feminine, bracelet, okay. What is the cost of this bracelet? This, okay. Then this is masculine, este. Este video es interesante, interesante. Este is este, this, okay. This video is interesting, this video is interesting. Then esta we use for this, okay. Then estos y estas we use for these, okay. Esta película es muy romántica. Esta película es muy romántica. This movie is very interesting, okay, because la película, it is a feminine, so we are using esta. If I am saying these movies, then estas películas, we will say plural for s, son, because we are talking about películas, so we will use third person, son muy románticas, okay. So these movies are very interesting, these movies are very interesting. And if I want to say these videos, these movies are very romantic, if I want to say these videos are interesting, very interesting, then how I will write? Estos videos son muy interesante, okay. These videos are very interesting, okay. We will change it accordingly. So let's revise how we use this, that and those. This, that, these and those. We will revise it in the end. Let's revise it. How we say this and that. For this we will use this, este, masculine, esta, feminine, and estos, masculine and feminine, these, this, these. And for that which is near, we use SA masculine and SA feminine, then those SOs masculine and SS is feminine. Then that which is far away, for example, if we are talking about some far away country or something which is not near to us, then that will be Ake, Akea. Those will be Akeos, Akeas. Akeya, Akeyos. Okay, this is Akel. This is Akeos. So remember how we use this and that in Spanish, because if you want to make a sentence, it is very very important to know this, that, is, am, are. So we have covered almost all basic vocabulary which we need to introduce ourselves or something. I'll make my next video on how to introduce yourself, or how to talk about if you want to go for some journey, how to talk about travel, how to talk about your daily day-to-day routine. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please subscribe and share.